Kirina mjati oya pangwa ino achidya magaka mambishi pamsoro awa pe prophecy aiwa ya Uebert Angel azvipere mushe the ruling party ZANU-PF nezvigaranda zvinyazoratidza kuti situation is very tight. Masangana vanhu varipo hangi, masangana vanhu vanoda mari. Saka pena masvika mudanjiro panguva ino, inobva subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Chikonsa rwa mudanjiro achiti, I was listening keenly to Mr. Madzanire, Uebert Angel's recent prophecy. Strip away the theatrics and spiritual posturing, and what remains is a clear and pointed message. The prophecy is about Uganda and those within ZANU-PF leadership who are abusing their positions not to serve the people but to enrich themselves at the expense of the citizenry. This is precisely why Paul Tungwarara is fuming. He knows the prophecy has struck a nerve, but instead of introspection, is lashing out, picking unnecessary fights with party stewards, affiliates, and even fellow advisors. It's a classic case of political overreach. He is swinging wildly, hoping to land a blow, but in doing so, is exposing his own naivety. Tungwarara doesn't understand ZANU-PF. He doesn't grasp its subterranean codes, its unwritten rules, or its brutal calculus of loyalty and survival. He thinks proximity to power is power itself. It is not. In ZANU-PF, power is not given, it is loaned, and it is recalled the moment you become a liability. He is not alone in this miscalculation. Kumakwa Chitagure, too, has built an empire on the illusion of permanence, but both men must understand they are nothing without Mnangagwa. The influence is not institutional, it is borrowed. And when the lender calls in the debt, there will be no sanctuary. Tungwarara's political shelf life is shrinking by the day. His republic tantrums, his prophetic posturing, his war against the party's old guard. These are not signs of strength. They are the flailing gestures of a man who has mistaken noise for strategy. ZANU-PF is not a playground, it is a battlefield, and those who enter it without understanding the terrain are quickly consumed by it. Ndomashwara kuda panguva inoitaurwa aiwa naKirina Mjati achiuya panguva ino achiti hazvina kumira zvakanaka the ruling party ZANU-PF. Vana Tungwarara vamuri kuona panguva ino zvinozobuda pachena kuti prophecy aiwa yaUebert Angel yakanga iri directed kuzvigananda iri panguva ino. That's the reason why they are fuming, and panguva ino they are jostling vachiuya vachiexposana nekuita sei noda kwokuti vari kunyatsoziva kuti the ruling party ZANU-PF yanguva chaos yoga yoga. Tida comment section minutes of nguro emo to be pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.